Blue Voyagers. Mag-ready na po tayo. Black ball. Black ball. Okay. Hot hand ng takbong bogi. Akbo. Naku! Wala. Backshot. Rebound by Gabriel. Pass to Gabriel. Oops. Ventura. Ay, ang ganda. Sayang. Mendoza. Uy, ang ganda nun. Nice shot by number 1, Gabriel. Okay. Pau nagdadala ng bola. Pasa kay Tay. Kay Pau again. Tay. Ganda ng back-to-back pass. Doon! 2 points by 31. Oops! Mendoza. Still by Pau. Alright. Nice D sa takbong pogi. Pau. De Los Reyes. Oops! Ayun. Okay, 2 points by De Los Reyes. Nice. Mendoza. Oh boy! It's a traveling by 69 Mendoza. Time out! Red Knights bowlers. Nice run by Takbong Pogi. Kumakana si De Los Reyes.
Ayan, tama dyan ka.
Yan ang aking idolo dyan. De Los Reyes.
Huwag ka masyado umano, baka bumaligtad ka.
Pogi!
Kahit sa last season, sila yung defending champion. Nag-shuffle na. Memo mo.
Okay, score po natin. 46-39. Kalamangan ng Black Takbong Pogi. Okay. Pau. Screen by Sales. Ay, ang ganda! Sayang. Foul by number 9, Gabriel. First personal foul by number 9. First team foul. Isa lang ang pumasok. Okay, Tabliso, ang aking idolo, may gym body. Pasa kay Ventura, kay Tabliso again. Tabliso for 3. No good. Long rebound kay Gabriel, pero still ni foul. Pasa kay Sir Rez. Ay, Sales. Ay, sayang. Mataas masyado. Out of bounds substitution kay Akbo by David. Ganda ng game ngayon ni number 12, Wade Akbo. Irvin, wala, 69. Jump shot, no good. Very well kay Gabriel, naiwanan ng isa lang. 2 points by Gabriel. Okay, Pau. Maganda din ang laruan ni Pau eh. Sales, uy! Pass by David. Oops! Kickball by Mendoza. It's black ball. 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Sales! Ganda! Easy 2 points by Sales. Oops! Ganda ng pasa na yun, pero sayang hindi pumasok. Rebound by De Los Reyes. Oops! It's a foul. It's a foul by 21. Ventura. Foul. Substitution din on the Red Knights and first personal foul by number 21. Second team foul sa Red Knights. Okay, David. Pinasa kay De Los Reyes. At Katingan. Pasa ka. Ay! Jump shot. No good. Oops! Uy, natapit. Sayang. Rebound by Castillo. Ventura. Oops! Okay, foul by number 25. Mukhang graduate na si David. Yes, sir. Substitution by David. Fouled out number 25 of Takbong Pogi. First team foul na Takbong Pogi. Oops! Mendoza. Dinedepensahan ni Brent. Gabriel for 3. No good. Rebound by De Los Reyes. Time remaining 6 minutes 49 seconds. De Los Reyes and one. Foul by number 69. Foul by number 69. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Score 51-41. Wala. Okay, Irvin, the main man ng Red Knights. Nice lead by Takbong Pogi. Oops! Oops! Tabliso! Oh my God! It's out of bounds by Tabliso. It's black ball. Where's Revo? Okay, Brent! Push! Yes, sir! Ay, wala! Sales, wala pa rin. De Los Reyes! Wala pa rin! Sales sa rebound! De Los Reyes for steal! Okay, set up, set lang, set. Pau, pinasa kay Brent! Oops! Block by Mendoza! 4 seconds remaining sa shot clock. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Pau for 3. No good. Oops. It's red ball. Substitution sa Red Knights. Substitution sa Red Knights. Gabriel to Gabriel. Alright. Time po natin. 5 minutes 52 seconds. Castillo to Irvin. Wembanyama kay Tabliso. Oops! Again! Tabliso. Traveling violation substitution kay D2 Sales. Ayos na. Foul! Nice pass kay D! No good! Sayang! Rebound by Mendoza. Huli! Wala! Irvin! Yes, sir! Easy 2 points by number 21, Wembanyama. Oops! Dinoble team. D. Up! Dinoble team na. Pasa kay Brent. Wala! Oh! Miss-steal kay Irvin. Oops! Foul! Foul by number 32. Foul by number 32. Victor G. First personal foul by Victor G. Second team foul. Foul on Victor, it's a foul. Hindi, your body is in forward motion, my friend. Okay. Okay, tigdalawa pa ang timeouts per team. Huli by De Los Reyes. Push only. Sayang. Tabliso. Push kay Tabliso. Oops, Irvin. Nice pass. Irvin for 2 points. 51-45. Akbo to D. Nice D. Wala. Oops. Rebound by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Wala. Wala pa. Foul number 31. Second, personal foul, third team foul. Substitution sa takbo pogi. Para kay Castillo for 3. No good. Rebound by Boss Jello. Lakas. Boss Jello. That's our center nung previous league. Kaya kami nag-champion. Season for 3. No good. Rebound by Season din. Oops! Nice one. Dito, 2 points by Season. Okay, Ventura. May banyaw ng Prisma. Pinasa kay Tabliso. 69, ganda. No good. Rebound by Pau. Okay, time po natin. Game clock. 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Akbo, no good. Irvin, kumakana na naman. Irvin, nope. 2 points by Wembanyama. 53-47 ang ating score. Okay, Pau. 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock. De Los Reyes for 3. Yes, sir! 31-14. Grabe talaga si Wembanyama. Kumakalabaw! Wala! Rebound by Akbo. Pinupush. Mag-isa lang. Grabe naman! No good. Sayang. Too fast. It's too fast. Tabliso. To Irvin. Oops. Foul. Foul muna. Number 55. First personal foul. And time out. Red. 14 foul. Red Knights, time out. Takbong pogi, 14 foul na po yun ha. 14 foul. Game time! Game clock remaining 2 minutes 23 seconds. Score po natin 56-47 in favor of Black Takbong Pogi. Next game po natin, Allegra Royals versus Blue Voyagers. Mag-ready na po tayo. Hoy, pumasok na pala si Rebo. Nice one, Rebo. Shoot agad. Shout out kay Rebo, the finals MVP last year. Shot clock 8 seconds. Tabliso. Pasa kay Gabriel for 3. Wala pa rin! Uy, ang ganda ng rebound si CC9 doon. Wala! Oops! Ventura! Grabe. Iba na lang ang ating Wembanyama. Ibang klase. Okay, Akbo to Akbo. Pinush! Yan ang laro ni Akbo. Foul by Gabriel. Number 9. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul na din ng Red Knights. Sa Parebo.
Game clock natin, 1 minute 48 seconds. Marami pang oras. Kaya pa yan. Wala pa rin. Oops! Ay, ang galing! Ang galing ni Pao doon! It's black ball. Nice save. Kay 55. 14 seconds. Okay. 14 seconds remaining. Shot clock. Nautakan doon. Rebo! Wala! Ay, steal by Gabriel. Rebo steal na din. Okay, foul. Penalty na. Third personal foul by number 9. Penalty na po. Shooting foul na. Ay, maalat ngayon si Repo. Maalat. Okay. Nashoot na. Pagpuanin po ako, Master Brand.
Ventura, the main man ng red for 3. Wala. Rebound by Rebo. The finals MVP, Rebo. Ay, block by Ventura. Walang foul. Ventura. Pasok, pasa kay 69. Ganda. Ang ganda. Wala. Oops, wala. Okay, follow up by Ventura.
58 seconds. Score 57-51.
Okay, ang oras. Oops, foul by Tabliso, number 20. Third personal foul. Shooting foul. Pala, penalty na. Red Knights.
Isa pa. Oh, 50 seconds pa. 2 tres lang yan, Red Knights. Wala. Oy! Long rebound by Akbo.
It's a foul again by Tabliso. Another foul by Tabliso. That's his fourth personal foul. Penalty na naman.
Parang blue pala to.
Okay, 30 seconds remaining. 57-53. Oops. Foul number 21. Second personal foul. Penalty. Shooting. 26 seconds remaining. 57-53. Isa pa, Akbo. Nuevo, isa pa. Anim na yan, anim na yan. Oops! Okay, sa lane violation. Time out, red. Time out, red. Last time out na po yun. Okay. Inbound kay Gabriel. Wemby. Ay, nice kick. Gabriel. Pasa kay number 69 kay Gabriel ulit. Wala pa rin. 13 seconds remaining. Foul number 24. First personal foul. Okay, shooting foul ulit. I-shoot nyo na yan. Let's go. 6 na yung hindi na-shoot na free throw. Ayusin nyo yan. Foul. Kung pag di mo na-shoot yun, pag ka na dito, ba? Nice one, foul. Uy! Wemby, mag-isa sa kabila. Ay, ang ganda! Ang ganda pa. Foul number 11. Foul number 11. First personal foul. Plus, bonus shot. Penalty na rin. Ang block. Takbong pogi. So, both teams penalty. Okay, bonus shot by Wembanyama. Oops! Grabe naman, rebound ni De Los Reyes. Ang ating main man, De Los Reyes. Kaninong foul po? Okay, foul by number 24. Second personal foul. Grabe. 14 rebounds ngayon si, Ty De Los Reyes. Ano ba naman yan, Ty? Ano mo naman yung ring? Tamaan mo naman yung ring. Focus. Walang tawa-tawa dyan. Oy! Nice rebound kay Pau. Okay, tama na. Ay, pinaul pa. Pinaul pa ni Gabriel. Okay, number 9. Fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul kay number 9. Okay, shoot. Shoutout kay Kobis. Hands on talaga si Kobis. Okay. End game. Score po natin. 60-55. Winner by 5 points. Takbong Pogi.